2025 Honda Rebel 500 ABS, a stylish, customizable cruiser. The 2025 Honda Rebel 500 ABS continues to stand out as a unique choice for riders who seek a blend of classic cruiser style and modern features. Designed for both new and experienced riders, this model merges minimalist aesthetics with functionality, targeting younger riders, especially Generation Z, who view their motorcycles as more than just a means of transport. The Rebel 500 combines a low-slung, tubular steel frame and a powerful yet manageable A2-compliant twin-cylinder engine, making it ideal for urban commuting or leisurely weekend rides. The 2025 model sees improved ergonomics, updated technology, and enhanced customization options to meet the needs of individual riders. Design and style: classic meets contemporary. The Rebel 500 boasts a low, lean bobber style that emphasizes simplicity and raw design, making it popular in the European custom motorcycle market. Its sleek silhouette, paired with fat tires, a steeply raked 11.2L fuel tank, and blacked-out components, creates a visually striking, timeless look. New paint options for 2025 include matte dim gray metallic and matte gunpowder black metallic, enhancing the bike's aesthetic appeal while offering a blank canvas for personalization. The minimalistic LED lighting, including a 175mm circular headlight, ultra-thin oval taillight, and compact indicators, adds a modern touch while preserving the bike's classic cruiser look. Comfort and ergonomics, designed for everyday use. Honda has refined the Rebel's ergonomics, focusing on rider comfort and ease of use. The seat height remains accessible at 690mm, and the handlebar position has been optimized to create a more relaxed, natural riding posture. The seat has been updated with new urethane foam for improved comfort, while the rear shocks now feature new bump stop rubbers to provide a smoother ride on rough surfaces. Additionally, the LCD display has been upgraded for better visibility in bright light, ensuring key information is easy to read at a glance. Engine and performance: smooth and powerful. The Rebel 500's 471 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine delivers strong low-end torque and smooth, linear power, making it both A2 license-friendly and enjoyable for seasoned riders. Updated ECU settings and a new OBD2-2 exhaust sensor improve fuel efficiency and emissions compliance, adhering to Euro 5 standards. The bike also includes an assist/slipper clutch for light, easy gear shifts in city riding. The shotgun-style exhaust not only adds to the Rebel's aesthetic but also provides a throaty cruiser soundtrack that enhances the riding experience. Customization and accessories: tailor the Rebel to your style. Customization is a key feature of the Rebel 500. The bike's pillion pad and rear foot pegs are easily removable, making it simple to switch between solo and two-up riding or to add accessories. Honda offers a wide range of optional extras, including rear racks, backrests, tank pads, fly screens, and saddlebags in either nylon or leather. For 2025, these accessories are available in curated packs, allowing riders to personalize their Rebel to suit their preferences. The Rebel S Edition offers unique features like a factory-fit headlight cowl, retro-style front fork covers, and a special brown diamond-stitched seat, catering to riders who want a distinctive look. Technology and safety: modern features in a classic package. Despite its classic appeal, the Rebel 500 incorporates modern technology to enhance safety and convenience. The bike is equipped with full LED lighting, a gear position indicator, and a digital speedometer with a negative LCD display that improves readability in various lighting conditions. The addition of ABS, anti-lock braking system, ensures reliable braking performance on different road surfaces, increasing rider confidence, especially in urban environments. The throttle response and power delivery are tuned for a smooth, controlled experience, suitable for both beginners and experienced riders alike. Price and availability. The 2025 Honda Rebel 500 ABS is priced competitively within the cruiser market, with an MSRP of around $6,799. This accessible price point, combined with Honda's reputation for quality and reliability, makes the Rebel 500 an attractive choice for those seeking an affordable, stylish, and customizable motorcycle. The Rebel 500 will be available in select dealerships with the option to choose from the new color schemes or opt for the Rebel S edition for an added layer of customization and style.